Hi, so today we're going to learn about the minion game. Um, the minion game is a string challenge, and this is a really clever way to count uh, vowel and a consonant word. So any word that start with the vowel, it will be Kevin, and with the consonant, it will be Stuart. So there's a trick that we're going to use, and it will be the index of a word. Uh, this word, right? So the index really subtracting the index from the string length is correlated to how many word can be produced with the consonant and also for the vowel. So they are directly related. So that's why we can use the index for counting uh, each vowel and consonants. So it's not gonna always work this trick, but it's gonna work for this uh, challenge because it's related. So yeah, so we will count. So any word that start with the consonant will be stored. So let's try and implement the solutions right here. We're going to need Kevin. Kevin, let's say score, and then that will be 0, and Stuart score, that will be 0. So also we need a vowel, that will be E, I, O, U, and we're going to need a for loop, right? So for loop will be for, and we need index, and in a range from length of a string, and right here we're going to count the consonant and vowel words. So before that, let's try to compare how it will look like. So the results, right? Basically right here. If Kevin's score is greater than Stuart's score, then we will print Kevin, and then that will be formatted with something like this in Python. So we will take Kevin score right here, and we will print that. So L if Stuart score is greater than Kevin's score, uh, Kevin score, then we will just print the same printf but with Stuart name. So that will be here. Oh, I was at printf is supposed to be print. So score Stuart score, and this will be Stuart. Okay, so and then after that, else the challenge says there will be a draw, right? If they're with the same score, so there will be a draw. Okay, so that will be how we're going to get the results, and well, this is how we're going to compare the result, right? So and then we will use another if statement inside right here, just to count this, just to distinguish the consonants and vowel. So if string and then index, right, is in vowels, then we will start counting right here. That will be Kevin, and it will be like this. The length of the string will be, we will subtract it from the index. Okay, so elif, no, not elif, else will be stored. Score. Okay, so now let's go to length string index. There you go. So this will do it. Yeah. So you will be asking like, how come we need to use the index right here? Well, the index is basically correlate, like we said, correlate to the word, how many word can produce by just one consonant, same consonants, B, right? So right here, 6 of them between B, banana, and then ban, right? So 6 of them right here, and then for the NA, it will be 2 times, so that will be 2 score of 2, and BA just 1, and N just 2, right? So add them all together, we got the scores for stored. So index, by subtracting the index from the string length, we don't have to go through every each of conditions. We just have to subtract it, and it will work for the words. So there you go. This is how we're going to get the right score, right? So let's try and test this out. I already tested, so it worked, and for this it worked as well, and everything looks fine. Yep, so there you go. That's our solution.